In this video, we are going to discuss 3 reasons which keep you away from being rich. Hello, this is Samir Machwe. I am a wealth coach and a financial mentor, and I welcome you to my channel FINDAS, a place where you can be financially bindas. If you look around yourself, you will find that most people struggle financially. They are not rich. Today, we will discuss these 3 primary reasons why people are not rich. Make sure you watch this video till the end because I'm going to give you some special offers in this video. Okay, so point number 1. If you are a person who is attracted to purchasing something just because there is an offer or there is a buy one get one offer going on, there is a sale in the mall nearby, and you get tempted to buying things, then that is one reason that you will never be rich in your life. Today, we are continuously bombarded with information about things that we can purchase, things that are made out as if we need them. This is the era of marketing. The big marketing companies, they will manipulate your brain, they will manipulate your mind, and they will create what they called as FOMO, FOMO, fear of missing out. They will create this sense of urgency that if you don't buy this thing today, you will never be able to buy it ever at this price. This is the fear of missing out, and people get addicted to shopping, and shopping. Most big businesses want you to keep shopping, and that is the reason why your pockets will always remain empty. So, now how do we deal with this? I will give you one rule. If you follow this rule, you will never fall into this trap and never get addicted to shopping. The rule is buy what you need and avoid or at least postpone what you want. Right? So, if in case by chance, if you need a thing and there is a discount on the same thing, you can go out and buy. Nobody is going to stop you. But if you are going to buy something only because there is an offer, then that will ensure that your pocket will remain empty and you will never get rich. Right? So that is the trap. Best way is to make your monthly budget. Create a budget, allocate funds to every single thing. This is the amount of money I will spend on my food. This is the amount of money I will spend on my clothes. This is the amount of money I will spend on accessories. Blah blah blah. Make the budget. Stick to the budget. Be honest with yourself. This way you will save a lot of money. Right now, the first offer of the day. If you subscribe to this channel, if you like this video, and if you comment, what you will comment, first thing you can comment is how the things that we are discussing today are applicable to your life. What are you going to use from this video in your life and change something? Or you can comment what kind of videos you want from me, on what subject you would like the videos to be made. All that if you put in the comment, then you have a chance to win my online course, which is worth 2000 rupees for free. I am going to select 10 people every month whom I will give away this course worth 2000 rupees completely free. Only thing you have to do is to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And on an average, I will give 2 to 4 videos in a month. So if you keep consistently commenting and liking those videos, chances are you will win this free course for sure. Good. So point number 2. If you want to get wealthy by doing savings, that is a very poor strategy. Most people think that if they save little money, if they save here, if they save there, if they bargain, if they negotiate when buying and save little money here and there, they will one fine day get rich. Unfortunately, this will not work. What will work is, first you have to increase your value as an individual. You have to create more demand for yourself, for your skills, for your work, for your output, and be an asset. So if you are in a job, be an asset for your employer. Multitask, learn more skills, get to a place where you become almost indispensable. That is what will work because that will increase your income. If you are in business, make sure to improve your services. Make sure you make your clients happy. You try to satisfy their needs. You try to design your product in such a manner that it serves the need of the product. If you do that, your value will increase in the market. You will be more in demand, and this is the way you will increase your income. So this is point number one. Increase your income by improving your services, being an asset to yourself. Unfortunately, when the income goes up for 90% of the people in the world, their expenses also tend to catch up. Now, this is the money software that will keep you away from being rich. So, once you are capable of increasing your income, what you have to do is to follow the golden rule for being rich. That is, increase your income, keep your expenses low, and invest the gap with the help of an expert. This is the rule. I think most people do work on their incomes. They do a lot of effort to increase their income. They fail in the other two parts. They fail to keep their expenses low, and then they fail to invest that gap with the help of an expert. This is what we have to do, right? So this appears very, very logical, that it's so simple. Keep your expenses low, increase your income, and invest the gap. But unfortunately, most people find it very difficult to actually implement this in their life. For those people, I have written a book, 25 Habits That Make You Rich. I am going to share the link of that book in the description below. This book, I have spoken about 25 habits. If you develop those habits with yourself, not all, even if you are capable of developing 50% of that habits, you will become rich. I have put 22 years of my experience of working with people in that book, and this book will help you more have you this book will help you in having more investments rather than expenses, and eventually leading to your financial freedom. So make sure you read this book and take full advantage of it. Point number 3: you will remain poor if you don't allow your money to work hard. Most people are looking out for what we call as safe investments or risk-free investments. In India, 60% of the savings go to either a FD or a PPF. In a FD and a PPF, the money grows at a rate of say 6 to 7%. Currently, the PPF is offering an interest of 7.1%. FDs are even lower. So 5 to 7% is the current range in which you will get the interest on the FD. This makes most investors feel very, very secure. They think they have done a safe investments. If you looked at the data, in the last 40 years, the inflation rate in India has been hovering around 7% on an average. What does this mean? You open a PPF account, put your money into that, locked in for 15 years, earn 7.1%. Inflation is eating 7% out of it. So what is the amount of money you are making? Nothing, 0.1%. This is what most people call as secure investment. Unfortunately, this secure investment does not grow your money. It only creates a pseudo feeling of security. What you lose is the buying power on the money, right? So don't get into the trap of not allowing your money to work hard. When I said in the point number 2 that the golden rule is to increase your income, keep your expenses low, and go to an expert to invest the money, this is the reason why I said so. So if you go to an expert to invest your money, which less than 4% people do this in this country, then he will grow your money with a rate of which is going to beat the inflation by a decent margin, over and above the inflation. Your investments, your money needs to work hard and give you a return that is way beyond the inflation rate, right? So this is the way that you can grow your wealth. So 3 reasons that will keep you from being rich. One, getting that fear of missing out, buying for every offer, things that you don't need. Second one, saving and trying to get rich, not possible. And third, not allowing your money to work hard, right? So this is the 3 reasons that will keep you poor. Second offer of the day: So if you are serious about being rich, if you really want to invest the time and effort to get rich, if you are serious, then you need education. Education of the different kind. Education that you did not get in your school, that did not get your at your home, and you did not get in your college is called the financial education. The education about how money works. Right? So I have one initiative, a portal called FINDAS Academy, through which I generate a lot of online courses so that my clients get financially educated. I am launching my first offline course, How to Be Financially Free, on Saturday, that is 20th of August. And this course is a full day workshop on how to be financially free. It is going to happen in the city of Nasik. And here you will learn to play the game of money the way the rich play it, right? In order to do justice to the participants, I'm not going to have a big crowd attending this training. I'm only going to have 6 people, 6 participants go to this workshop. The reason, you will be personally coached by me, right? So this is the first batch. Since it is the first batch, it is the launch, I am having an introductory offer. I am offering 66% discount. You are seeing the offer on your screen right now. There is a QR code given. If you are interested, if you think this course will help you, this is the right time to register for this course. As I record this video today, already 2 of my clients have booked the first batch, so there are only 4 seats left now. It is going to be a full day course starting 10 a.m., ending 6 p.m. You will get the morning breakfast, the lunch, and the high tea, along with the coaching, training, and all that stuff that is going to happen in this one day course. So if you think this is the right course for you, make sure you enroll it, because I'm going to raise the prices very, very soon. So that's all for now. Make sure you don't forget the first offer. Do like this video, do subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to comment. Bye bye. Take care. Have an abundant life.